Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Jo, and today we're focusing on one of my favourite topics: how to get your foundation to look like your skin but better. I'll be walking you through 4 of my go-to foundations that give a natural skin-like finish. These are all perfect for anyone who wants to look like they're wearing no foundation at all, just beautifully enhanced skin. These are all perfect for anyone who wants to look like they're wearing no foundation at all, just beautifully enhanced skin. Before we get into it, let's talk about something super important: skincare prep. If you want your foundation to look natural, it starts with how you prep your skin. Personally, I like to keep it really minimal if I'm going to wear foundation. I always go for a hydrating serum, moisturiser, and always apply SPF. It's essential to use an SPF in your skincare because the SPF in makeup alone doesn't provide enough coverage to protect your skin from the sun. As you can see, I've already prepped my skin. This gives the perfect base for any foundation to sit smoothly while still looking like skin. First up is the PUR 4-in-1 Love Your Selfie Foundation. What I love about this is how it melts into your skin. It's a medium to full coverage foundation, but when applied with your fingers, it feels super lightweight and skin-like. I'm using my fingers to warm up the product, which helps it blend seamlessly into the skin. You can see how it evens out my complexion without looking heavy. The texture of my skin is still visible, which gives that natural finish we're after. Have any of you tried this foundation? Let me know what you think in the comments. Next, we have the Ciate London Dewy Skin Foundation. If you love that fresh, dewy glow, this one is perfect. It feels almost like a moisturiser, but with a hint of coverage that gives your skin a luminous finish. I'm applying a small amount and blending it outward with my fingers. The warmth of your hands really helps the product melt into your skin for that natural radiant glow. Doesn't hide your skin, it enhances it. Are you more of a dewy skin person, or do you prefer something a little bit more matte? Now let's move on to the Tear Cushion Foundation. This has been going viral and I absolutely adore it. Cushion foundations are great for that lightweight, breathable finish. This one feels like a second skin and it's super easy to apply. Here I'm applying the foundation with the cushion first, then using my fingers to blend it in. Cushion foundations tend to be hydrating, which is perfect for maintaining that natural skin-like texture without drying out. It gives a healthy, semi-matte finish that's ideal for everyday wear. If you guys are loving these tips, make sure to give this video a like and share it with your friends who are into natural, effortless beauty. Last, but definitely not least, is the Lumene CC Cream. This is a go-to for me when I want something lightweight but still want to blur imperfections. What's really cool is that I mix 2 shades to create my perfect match, especially when transitioning from summer into autumn or winter. As you can see, this CC cream blends in beautifully, giving me just enough coverage to even out my skin tone while still looking completely natural. What do you think about mixing shades? Is that something you've tried before, or do you usually stick to just one colour? And there you have it, 4 amazing foundations, each designed to give you that natural skin-like glow we all love. Remember, it's all about enhancing your skin, not hiding it. I'd love to hear which foundation spoke to you the most. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week for some autumnal looks.